Okay, so in the previous video, I show you how to add this JavaScript stuffs for image uploading. Now let's add the server-side programming, which is PHP. So I think I have to somewhat change SQL queries as well, because now I'm going to add profile image as well. So I will simply make new column, call it as profile image, having varchar 155. Right. Okay. Maybe this will be enough. And in the post as well, later on we need likes and dislikes options, so that stuff I also will add here. So let's say likes some sort of integer and dislikes some sort of integer. Right, I will copy the entire thing, go to the localhost PHP MyAdmin, and go to the SQL. So I will drop this existing table. Existing database, drop database simple epic db. Then I will again create a simple epic db with utf-8 general ci, and I will go to the SQL and drop these queries and simply click go. Right, so now whenever I creating a new post, I have these likes dislikes options as well as users profile image options. Now let's go back to our scripts. We register. Now go to the users controller. So whenever user is registering, we have to take their profile image name as well. So profile image, but don't trim that profile image, because image file may contain some symbolic characters, and we have to specify this post as files. So whenever you requesting files, you have to pass this post method as a multipath. Okay, otherwise you won't be having that files option. So simply we can add encrypt type as multipath form data. Now I will be having this files option. Then then we can upload this file to a specific location inside the our server. So in order to do that, I will add another helper function for image uploading, because later on when we are uh, adding post as well, we need to upload images. So I will add a new helper called image upload helper.php. Then go to the, sorry, name this as capital I. Go to the bootloader, then require once helpers, image upload php. Inside the image upload helper, let's declare a few functions. Later on we will need those things. So functions, first thing is upload image. So I need to take the image as well as the image name and the corresponding location uh, to store that image. So I will specify the entire thing as target. Then I need to take a public route because this is not a URL route, because I'm storing my data in a specific location. So that's a public route. So go to the configurations over here. Let's define pub route as pub route. The public route basically is thing and another dir name over here. Right. So 1, 2, 3. Right. Then simply public. Okay, now I can call the pub route. So I will make this URL as location and image name. Then I will simply return and move uploaded files with the image and corresponding the image to the corresponding target. Likewise, I need another function for update image. Okay, so these stuffs will be there. Only thing is I need to add old image as well, because old image needs to be deleted. So deleting can be done using unlink the old image, right? Then I can set the new target as before and return the corresponding object. Finally, I need a function to delete image img. Basically it is your unlinking. So unlink img. If it is unlinked successfully, simply return true. If not, simply return false. Okay, now go back to the controller. Then we can upload these stuffs. Yeah, so I have already validated these things. Then let's validate profile image and upload. So this upload means I'm just moving the file to the corresponding location. Okay, so I can call that upload image function, get the profile image out of the data and take the temporary name out of it. Sorry, temp name out of it. Why it's showing an error? Yeah, because we haven't passed the required parameters yet. Then I will take the profile image name as well. So whenever I'm taking the profile image name, I need to do few more stuffs, because in order to prevent having duplicate files, I will add a time to it, then underscore, maybe distinguish it, then I will take the name. Okay, so you can add more and more fields to uniquely identify this sort of image, but for now I think this will be enough. And the location uh, where we need to upload our images. So in my case, I will simply add inside the public root, uh, inside the images, maybe as profile imgs, right? So I need to go img profile imgs. Okay. Um. Yeah, I passed the parameters correctly. Why it is showing like this? Yeah, because I haven't specified this one, I guess. No. I miss a bracket. Load image. Right. How it work? Okay. Yeah. And this is just a idle one. Let's say done. If it is not uploaded correctly, you need to set a profile image error. Send it. So initially, profile image error is just empty because there are no errors. But if it is not correctly imported, then we need to specify that error as well. Profile picture uploading unsuccessful. So we can have both client side and server side validations, which is pretty much good. Uh, so if we passed all of these stuffs, which means we have to add another n over here. Okay, if we passed all of these stuff, we can simply manipulate our database, right? Yes. So since since I have added a new column, I also have to change my model as well little bit. So go to the users inside the register, because I had this profile image thing. So I'm users profile image, take the profile image, and set the profile image as set the profile image name. Right, I think now it needs to be worked correctly, so let's try that out. So I will simply select some image, I don't know, maybe something like this, and we need to add these stuffs. Then simply click register. Okay, there is some error. Failed to claim this string. No file, no such file or directory in the string. Because of that, we need to go for the C exam redox public img Yeah, I don't know why is, as I remembered I created the path, but yeah, let's add again profile imgs, then we'll register again, and again I need to add the validation stuffs over here, right? So I think I missed that one. um so go to the users, and since I had three new fields actually, need to add these stuffs as well. Even if I haven't add this stuff, it will work, but you know, by adding this stuff we have, some sort of a consistent code. Okay, then go to the register. Let's add one more form in valid span class as well, but this one is basically profile imager. Okay, whereas you can use the image, click register. Okay, it is registered successfully. So if I go to the location profile images, now there is the image uploaded with, concatenating with the server time and the corresponding image name. And if I go to my database, yeah, it has the corresponding profile image as well. So now simply I can, log to the account. Yeah, then later on I can improve this top navigation bar to showing my profile image as well. But yeah, maybe, yeah, give me a second. Sorry. Yeah, let's try to show our image at the top navigation bar as well. So it is uh, pretty much is easy. First we have to go to the users controller, then we have to set another session known as maybe user profile image, right? So this is taken out from the database as profile image. Then whenever we log out, we have to unset this session variable as well. Sorry. Then let's go to the top navigation bar, include top nav bar. So we have these things. Let's add the division. Maybe we can do changes later on, but for now I will simply add these stuffs. Okay, so let's add a new division called, yeah, no profile. So another division called P. This is imgsrc. So this is basically PHP. Go to the corresponding URL root. Um, then img, uh, img, then profile imgs, then the session variable session. So which is this? What is the session? It's a profile image. Okay, let's go over here and load it. Yeah, but let me go you. Yeah, said URL look like this. Let's go to the inspect and check what we have done wrong. It says undefined array key. Yeah, maybe because we have already logged in. Uh, Profile images. We are, yeah. So this session was I declared, after login. So maybe we have to log out. And let's try to log again. Yeah, now there is the image, but it's massive. Let's change it a little bit. Uh, yeah, where is our styles exist is in the CSS. Inside the CSS, go to the components, go to the top navigation by styles. Okay, so now let's add, you know, profile image stuffs. So it's basically dot profile. So let me add this as a flex. Sorry, display flex. X direction is row. Then dot pick img as having the both height and width maybe 20 px. Right. So here reload it. Okay, it's a little bit smaller. Let's add maybe 40. Okay, 40 is working correctly, but why this looks like very unfamiliar? Because I think we have to add the href as well. Later on, I will add a more improved version of top navigation bar when we are having a lot of features. But for now, I think these things will be enough. Uh, and again, so this division has some sort of yeah, it's adding some sort of a default padding. That's why it's look like that. Because if I remove this padding, I will have this one, but yeah. Mm, we can do some changes if you want. Or let's say this is a single division, and we can have some sort of a flex box like a thing. For now, I will simply add two divisions. Later on, I will add more, comprehensive one. Then inside this top nav, overflow is hidden, display is flex, flex direction is okay. I think I can improve my image little bit, maybe 45. Increase the size of the image. Maybe 60. Can I do that? Okay, it's a little bit bigger. 50 is working fine, but I really like 40. And let's set some sort of border radius. Let's say border radius 50. I get that border radius over here. Yeah, I need this one. And let's set some padding top, maybe 5px. Yeah, this the one. Right. Then padding left 7px as well as padding right 7px. Okay. And we can even show our username as well. So let's say dot username. Simply we have to PHP echo is not given session username, and let's add some styling. I will make this as maybe font size 15px and font weight 600 and the color as maybe white. Okay, it's kind of large. Maybe it's at 12px. Yeah, and I think 500 weight will be enough. Okay, then let's add some sort of padding. Like this, but I think maybe we can reduce it a little bit. Yeah, so this is the name and entire thing. Yeah, I think, but all right, and maybe we can remove this as change this as row reverse, so it will be look like this, right? So if you want your profile image need to display over here, maybe, or over in the very beginning, you can change like this. Okay, so profile image, home, logout, everything will be there. But whenever I'm log out, see there is an error. So I have to say set the visibility only when I'm logged in. Right. So now let's go back to the registers. Yeah, undefined username is set. Okay. Now I can simply log in. Okay, now I have this image and everything like that, and I can create post. Right. Okay, and I have this likes dislikes options as well, but initially those are null. Okay, so that's it for now, and yeah, I will see you in the next video.